तो अर्चे देख, ये बैग ऐसे बांधा जाता है, ठीक है? तो जब कभी तू दिल्ली आएगा बाइक पे ट्रिप पे जाएगा तो ऐसे बैग लेके आना बांध के। What's up guys? तो मुझे नहीं पता कि आवाज़ आ रही नहीं आ रही है, बट एनीवेज मैं कर रहा हूँ गेयर अप बरेली टू दिल्ली वीकेंड राइड के लिए, और अपन लेके चल रहे हैं निंजा 1000 और हम जा रहे हैं दिल्ली। सो इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू सुपर बाइक पे एक ट्रिप मारने का। दो इट्स अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप ऑफ 250 किलोमीटर्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, बट लेट्स डू इट। Hey guys, what's up? So I've reached CCD Gajrala and that's the bike I'm riding right now. It's a Kawasaki Ninja 1000, belongs to my friend Archit. Well, if I talk about this bike, it's with Rapid Evo Power Commander and an Austrian Racing full exhaust system. Well, that's my luggage all packed up because earlier it was raining and now it's not. So this exhaust is so loud that the first thing that I did when I reached CCD was I took out this helmet Bluetooth from the helmet, because first it was loose and second it's of no use because this exhaust is so loud that you'll not be able to hear anything. So there is no fun of carrying this Bluetooth on the helmet. So I've removed it and I've stopped here for a cup of coffee. And well, it's a beautiful Sunday and I'm riding this bike from Bareilly to Delhi. So I'm done with some 140 kilometers and some 100 more kilometers to go. Well, and if I would talk about this empties, so if you have not seen that video, just go and check the description. You'll get the link. So anyways, let's have a cup of coffee and then let's move. See ya. Speed tank कर दो. आई मोड़ ले चल ले, कहाँ छूट रहा बीच में यार। So guys, finally I'm at Kawasaki. अबे टैप हो जा। हाँ, so finally I'm at Kawasaki Delhi and that's Ninja 1000. Perfect tourer. In total we have clocked around 280 kilometers and it took me around 3.5 hours to reach Delhi and to clock this 280 kilometers, including like approximately 30 minutes of break. So in total it took me around 3 hours, somewhat about 3 hours to reach Delhi. Now a very important thing that I want to show you or want you to hear it is the exhaust note. Now this is Austrian Racing and all the way to Delhi this exhaust sounds like this. So that's the exhaust note that I was like clearing a full 280 kilometers and finally I reached Delhi. So that's all for the day. It was a happy Sunday. Take care, bye.